Is it time to buy or sell AEye stock? In this video, we will delve into AEye. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 25th of June 2025, our system has ranked AI as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.79. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 352.38% since we first listed AI as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This translates to an average return of 13.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 69.85% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 38.60% to positive 114.45%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 3.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 87.79% to positive 18.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between approximately 44 cents and $4.28. Our latest daily update for AI includes the headline, High volatility in LIDR Inc. stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $3.61. The LIDR Inc. stock price gained 2.85% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, rising from $3.51 to $3.61. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 15.09%, with a low of $3.38 and a high of $3.89. The price has experienced significant ups and downs during this period, reflecting a 195.9% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded for approximately $90,290,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $6.44, while the lowest price was 49 cents. Currently, the price is 43.94%, or $2.83, below the 52-week high, and 99.17%, or $431.09, below the all-time high reached on January 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $434.70. LIDR Inc., trading under the symbol LIDR, recently reported robust second-quarter results, highlighting significant business advancements. Notably, the company has fully integrated its Apollo LiDAR sensor into NVIDIA's Drive AGX Orin platform, significantly positioning AI to expand its collaborations with leading automotive manufacturers. This integration is expected to pave the way for the Hyperion framework, enhancing AI's role in the autonomous driving sector. In July, LIDR shares surged nearly 240%, although a recent pullback of around 12% occurred in the past 5 trading days. The spike was primarily driven by a collaboration with NVIDIA, which solidified AI's technology as an essential component for advanced driver assistance systems. This strong performance, coupled with the regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid requirements, enhances investor confidence. Additionally, AI has been selected by a prominent transportation original equipment manufacturer, unlocking a potential revenue opportunity of up to $30 million in the near term, expected over the next 2 to 3 years. This strategic win underscores AI's market relevance in the evolving landscape of autonomous technology. In the short term, the stock may experience volatility due to profit-taking following its rapid ascent. Yet the long-term outlook remains promising. The traction gained from partnerships and ongoing product deployments positions AI as a key player in the LIDAR space. Investors should monitor developments closely, as successful execution on these initiatives could lead to substantial growth and stock appreciation in the coming quarters. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of October, 2021, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LIDR a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned AI stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have also rated this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for AI. The LIDR Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at the levels of $3.29 and $1.44. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. This stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 18.60%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 174 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for AI. LIDR Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $3.51, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, reflecting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved 510 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 15.09%. For the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 43.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to circumstances outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for AI is at $4.05. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, AI faces its first support level at $3.51. If this support level remains intact, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for AI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusan Luis conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusan Luis conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Andrew S. Hughes conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of June, 2025, Andrew S. Hughes conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Connor B. Tierney conducted an insider sale of 2,788 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 9.064. Overall, insiders purchased 1,957,964 shares and sold 3,669,873 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.43, reflecting a decline of 5.02%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which indicates a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for LIDR Inc. company stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we anticipate AI to open higher by approximately 1.67 cents, beginning at $3.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.